Hello, in this video we're gonna check if ULEFONE Note 13P has a stereo speakers. So to see that, first we'll need to locate all of the speakers on this device. So on top there's nothing, there's a phone call speaker right here. On the left side there's no speaker, on the right side there's also no speaker. On the bottom we have one speaker right here, and on the back there's no speakers. So right now, to determine if that's a stereo speakers, we'll need to play music, cover each of the speaker with our finger, and if the sound is coming from both of the sources, that would mean it's a stereo speakers. If the sound is coming only from one source, that's a mono speaker. So let's try that. So clearly sound is coming from only bottom speaker right here and not from the top one, and that would mean this device has a mono speaker. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.